Good evening, everyone. In breaking automotive news, the all-new 2024 Lincoln Nautilus has just earned the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus award from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, or IIHS. This is the highest accolade given by the Institute, highlighting the Nautilus's exceptional safety standards. The redesigned 2024 Lincoln Nautilus passed all IIHS crashworthiness tests with flying colors. To qualify for the Top Safety Pick Plus award, vehicles must achieve good ratings in the small overlap front and updated side tests, and at least an acceptable rating in the updated moderate overlap front test, which now emphasizes backseat safety. Additionally, vehicles must perform well in the pedestrian front crash prevention evaluation, and all trims must feature headlights that are rated acceptable or better. The Nautilus met all these stringent requirements. Each of its 3 trims boasts good rated headlights and a standard front crash prevention system that earned a good rating in the pedestrian test. The Nautilus also excelled in the updated moderate overlap test, setting it apart from those that only achieved the lower-tier Top Safety Pick award. In addition to its top-notch safety ratings, the 2024 Nautilus offers a choice of 2 powertrains, a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine and a hybrid powertrain, catering to diverse client lifestyles. On the road, the Nautilus features the most standard advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, in its class and is among the first to offer Lincoln BlueCruise, an available hands-free highway driving feature. With these stellar safety scores and advanced driving features, the all-new 2024 Lincoln Nautilus is setting new standards in the luxury SUV market. Congratulations to Lincoln on this remarkable achievement. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest in automotive news. Thank you for watching, and have a safe and pleasant evening.